If you're over 60, how you cook your vegetables isn't just a matter of taste, it's a matter of hormonal protection, bone strength, and energy preservation. Let's compare two common methods, boiling vs. steaming. Boiling vegetables like broccoli or kale in water for several minutes might seem harmless, but studies show that boiling can leach out water-soluble nutrients like vitamin C, folate, and B vitamins, which are essential for your immune system and red blood cell production. Worse, boiling doesn't effectively reduce goitrogens unless you cook the vegetable into mush. And by then, you've killed most of the helpful compounds too. Now, let's talk about steaming. Steaming for just 3 RT 4 minutes has been shown to reduce goitrogens by up to 60% RT without destroying the beneficial sulforaphane and other cancer-fighting compounds. It softens the fiber gently, making it easier to digest for aging guts, and preserves the bright color and flavor of the vegetable. Even better, steaming keeps the food structure intact, so the micronutrients don't leak out into water you'll throw away. Here's a tip I give my patients. After chopping your broccoli or cabbage, let it sit for 10 minutes to activate enzymes. Then steam it gently. Top it with olive oil or lemon juice for added nutrient absorption. This 1-2 punch keeps your thyroid safe, your gut calm, and your cells nourished. Think of steaming as the senior-friendly reset button. It's low effort, high reward, and works well for batch cooking too. In the next section, I'll share one overlooked blood marker that tells you whether your vegetables are helping or harming you, and it's something most doctors forget to check.